How to fix Valorant has encountered an error on Windows 11. To fix Valorant has encountered an error on Windows 11, try these steps. 1. Run Task Manager and terminate all processes related to Riot and Valorant like Riot Client. 2. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. From Windows Apps list, and delete this directory /program files /Riot Vanguard. 3. Rerun Valorant Launcher. 4. Restart your PC. 5. Play Valorant in a wired connection or Ethernet. 6. Consider reinstalling the game.